Hello, my beautiful boss ladies, Zhenia Gilday here. Today I would like to talk about how to find your personal skincare solution in 4 easy steps. And this is something that most people haven't mastered, especially in the age of instant gratification and TikTok made me buy it mindset. A lot of people don't know how to find the skincare products that would work for them. So I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it in today's video. I'm teaching this in depth in the first week of my online program called Showstopper Skin Academy. If you're interested, go check it out. All you have to do is DM Showstopper on my Instagram and I will send you more info about it. This is my proprietary framework known as Skincare Journey Success Pyramid. This is a pyramid that represents the natural progression of anyone's skincare journey. The cool thing about this framework is that it shows you step by step how to go from complete beginner, which I call beautiful stranger, to showstopper. Showstopper is somebody who not only has great skin, but knows exactly how to treat their skin and knows how to select the best possible products for their skin. In this video, I'm going to be sharing just a small fraction of this framework, mostly the keys to success or how to get from one level of your skincare journey to another. The first thing you have to do is to simply get into a habit of doing your skincare twice a day, because without it, without the consistency, nothing else matters and you will not get the desired results. So you want to get essential products such as cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen, and just get into a habit of doing your skincare routine every day. If you're wearing makeup, you may have to get a makeup remover as well. You don't need to add toners, you don't need to add serums. Keep it super simple. Try to get gentle skincare products that have potential to work for different skin types. Don't worry too much about your skin type yet, but keep in mind if you really oily, stick with more gel-like consistencies or light creams. And if you are on the dry side, focus on the products both for your cleanser and moisturizer that have richer consistencies. You don't have to know too much about skincare at this point. If you are just starting out, the first thing you need to do is to build sustainable skincare habits, become consistent with doing your skincare, and just have a basic skincare routine that doesn't contain strong active ingredients. What I mean by strong active ingredients, don't buy things that have vitamin C, retinol, acids. You don't need any of this, just focus on more basic hydrating ingredients. After your skin adjusted to a simple skincare routine and you've built consistency, you can then move on to stage number 2. Stage number 2 is testing skincare treatments. The main mistake a lot of people are making at this stage, they will either go on TikTok or YouTube or ask their friends for advice what skincare actives they should add into their routine, and then they use what I like to call spaghetti skincare method. So this is when you're trying some random treatments on your skin, seeing what works. Before you proceed to stage number 2, you need to learn about your skin. You need to understand your skin type. For me, skin type is not just your oil production, it's also your skin density. Do you have thin skin or do you have thick skin? And also the level of your skin reactivity. Keep in mind that if you didn't have a lot of experience with skincare products, you may not know the level of your reactivity. But if you have been diagnosed with eczema or rosacea, or if even basic skincare products can cause redness or other skin reactions, this means that you have a reactive skin. So when I'm working with my clients, we're first analyzing their skin. We're analyzing their skin type and we're analyzing their skin quality, which is clarity, hydration, radiance, and elasticity. After we've done the entire skin analysis, only then I would suggest a treatment. You cannot choose a treatment if you don't know what your weak areas of your skin are, what your skin type is, because a lot of the ingredients may not work for your skin. Another very smart thing to do on this stage, once you find the main active ingredients that you want to include in your routine, I would either start with the products that contain lower concentration of this active ingredient or a derivative of these active ingredients that's much gentler. And this is not something that you can usually do easily on your own, because a lot of the people may either lack knowledge in this area, or when you look at skincare packaging, not all skincare products will give you the concentration of active ingredients. Because I worked with so many skincare brands and got a lot of training, I do get a lot of the more inside information. And also I've tested hundreds of skincare products on myself, and I had thousands of clients who tested their skincare products, gave me feedbacks. So even when I don't know the exact strength of active ingredients, from the feedback I gathered from my clients, from my personal skincare experience, I usually can put a product into a mild, medium, or a strong category. And finally, the third important thing during stage 2, which a lot of people are not doing, is once you try a specific product with an active, first you need to give it enough time to work, and then you have to document it. So if you are starting out, I definitely would recommend documenting all the products that you're trying, how your skin reacted to this product, because this will really help you in the future when you want to switch your skincare routine. A lot of the times we remember we tried certain skincare products way back, but we don't always remember why we stopped using it. So it really helps you if you can go back, look it up, and think, oh yeah, I already tried it, it didn't work for me. Or you can say, oh yeah, when I was using this product, my skin was actually really good, so maybe I should go back to using this product. Once you've established your essential skincare routine and found the right treatments, a lot of people would want to add more products to their routine. I would advise against it. So what I would do during stage 3 is to do more of what's working. So you want to give your products enough time to work before you start testing a lot of new products. Remember that the more products you put on your skin, the more chances of irritation. If your skincare routine is working amazingly well, there's even no need to add more unnecessary products. Not everybody needs a toner, not everybody needs a face mask, and definitely not everyone needs to use oil in their skincare routine. So on stage 3, do more of what's working, and if something's not working, eliminate it from your skincare routine. Once you got the initial results and you're ready to improve your skin even more, then you can move on to stage number 4. During stage 4, there are few things you can do. You can add extra skincare products such as mists, toners, essences. You can add an exfoliant, or you can use some at-home skincare tools. Another thing you can do is to go get a facial once a month. But remember that everything you're doing on stage 4 are just extras. They are nice to have, but they're definitely not necessary. But nevertheless, stage 4 is really important because it helps you elevate your self-care rituals. Because skincare, it's not just science and active ingredients, it's one of the best forms of self-care. What I've noticed with myself and my clients, if you enjoy doing your skincare routine, you are definitely going to be more consistent and get the best results. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other burning skincare questions, comment down below and maybe I'll make a video about it. Okay, my beautiful boss ladies, have a lovely day. I'm going to be seeing you very soon.